On the 8th of October at around 5 p.m. late evening, a bike bearing registration number AS09F6949 made a head-on collision with an auto bearing registration number AS09EC2817 at National Highway 39, somewhere around Chandrapur area, as many as 3 people sustained critical injuries. As per the reports, it was informed that this unfortunate incident had occurred when an auto bearing registration number AS09EC2817 coming from Dimapur heading towards Bokajan and a bike bearing registration number AS09F6949 proceeding from the opposite direction made a hit-on collision at National Highway 39 somewhere around Chandrapur area. The rider of the bike was identified as Binod Panika, Pavilion rider as Dulon Bonia, both of them hailing from Chandrapur, and the driver of an auto as Mukut Mech, residents of Kosari Basti, Khatkhati. It was informed that all of them sustained critical injuries and hence an emergency ambulance service 108 was called to carry them for their treatment at Bokajan CHC. Mukut Mech, the driver of an auto, was later referred to Bokajan Arogya Hospital due to his severe injuries. No loss of life had been reported so far. Bokajan police reached the spot and took over the case. Ananterang's report from Bokajan for Carbino Lion.